Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to search for movies and shows in the Plex application. If you are using Plex to manage your media, movies, TV shows, streaming content, then knowing how to effectively search for what you want saves times and frustrations. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open the Plex application on your smartphone and then sign into your account if you haven't already. After you are logged into the home page of Plex, go ahead and look for the magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. In the search box that pops up on the screen, enter the name of the movie or show you are looking for. You can also search by actor, director, genre, or keywords. After searching for the TV show or movie, I'm just gonna type in a genre over here. After you find the search results, go ahead and look for the TV show or movie you want to watch. If you are looking for a specific TV show or movie, then go to the search box back again and then enter the name of the movie right there. After you search for the movie, the search result will be displayed at the bottom. You can now go ahead and tap on the movie you are looking for and start streaming. So that's how you easily search for movies and TV shows in Plex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.